park clean. Y'all see the man keeping the leaves off the trail? They keep this park clean. That's a plus. Y'all see him, he working, he doing his job.
Workout paused. Workout resumed.
Oh yeah, I'm loving this park. This is a beautiful nature, nice park, and I'm loving every bit of it. Oh, the sun. Yeah. The sun, y'all. Come on, sun. Ooh. Let's see. The sun. Okay, you guys, I'm not sure how to pronounce this park, L-I-N-C. Is it Linc?
Workout paused.
Or is it Linc? Or Linc or Linc? This is the name of the park. I'm walking my 3 miles at this morning. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm going back up on this bridge. This is nice, y'all.
Workout paused.
And walking and going back up on the bridge. What's that say? Noonie?
Workout resumed.
Noonie. And this say, love the Linc.
Workout paused.
Love the Linc. That's what that say. Love the Linc. Love the Linc. Love the Linc. People jogging for their health.
Workout resumed.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna go up this trail right here. We're gonna explore what's up here. It look like a hill, y'all. It looks like a hill. As y'all can see, that look like a hill. So I'm gonna go up here. This will be my first time going this way. As you can see that.